Is our second lesson for when I'm gone. This is Wednesday, September 27th. And yesterday you should have been introduced to el verbo tener. Okay, el verbo tener, which you should have learned means to have. All right, you saw all the conjugations. You saw that there is a little bit of an irregularity there. If you have seen conjugations of other verbs, you might have noticed that tener in particular has a few different irregularities, and that's something that we can talk about when I get back. If you have questions about them, have those questions listed in your notes, and when I get back, we can have ourselves a little powwow, and I can do my best to explain anything that I need to. So, again, lectura, mes de la herencia hispana, preguntas para calentarnos that deal with the person from the Hispanic Heritage Month. And then this time we have a simulated conversation. All right, you don't have to record a simulated conversation, not right now. What you are going to do is you'll listen to me speak the simulated conversation, and then you are going to practice that conversation, and then there are some comprehension questions that you are going to answer. Okay, so our Hispanic Heritage Month person for today is Lori Hernandez. So some of you may be familiar with her, but you will learn some more about her, so feel free to Google her and look up some information about her. Like I said, the general information that you're looking for: who she is, what she does, where she's from, what she has done, things like that. But I do also have some additional vocabulary and everything like that. I do have linked here a video to some of her 2016 performances, so you can definitely watch those in class. I think the link is to NBC, well, it's YouTube, but I think it's an NBC Sports clip, so should be high quality, but I think it's a little long. Yeah, feel free to watch that either in class or on your own time. Okay? The preguntas para calentarnos deal with a few different questions. One of them deal with Lori, one of them deal with Juanes. One of these questions deal with you, and then one of them deal with me. So, ¿cuántos años tiene Juanes? So you'd have to kind of look back at the notes from yesterday, or even look him up again, maybe do a little bit of math. And then, ¿cuántos años tiene Lori Hernandez? Okay, so similar questions. Well, it's the exact same questions, just two different people. And now we have a new conjugation of the verb tener that you probably saw when you were filling out those charts in class yesterday. Tienen calor las estudiantes. This is one that is kind of collaborative. Does everybody? And actually, no, I won't even tell you what the question means. All right, but this is one that you basically just have to ask everybody. All right, tienen calor las estudiantes en esta clase, in this class. And then this one, dealing with me, where I am right now. Not right now when I'm recording the video, but right now when you are watching the video and doing the activity. El señor equals está en Alemania. Okay, so I have to look up what Alemania is. Entonces, ¿tiene frío él? All right, so you will have to answer this question based on this information here. All right, feel free to write your answers down here. You can do that with your classmates or however it is that you want. Okay, so conversación simulada, práctica de pronunciación. So like I said, I am going to practice this conversation right now with you so that you know how to pronounce these words. All right, the focus of this is the verb tener, all right, and some useful expressions that use tener. And then at the end, there are five comprehension questions that you are going to have to answer. All right. So let me go through the pronunciation practice, and then in class, in groups, practice this conversation as well. And after you're done, switch roles so that everybody has done at least persona A once, and everybody has done persona B at least once. All right. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Estoy bien también. ¿Tienes hambre? Sí, tengo un poco de hambre. ¿Y tú? Sí, yo también tengo hambre. ¿Qué tienes ganas de comer? Yo tengo ganas de una hamburguesa. ¿Tú? Pues yo tengo ganas de una ensalada. ¡Qué saludable! ¿Tienes sed? Sí, tengo sed. Voy a pedir una limonada. ¿Y tú? Yo también quiero una limonada. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 17 años. ¿Y tú? Tengo 16 años. Ah, somos casi de la misma edad. All right, so try your best to replicate the pronunciation. Hopefully I didn't speak too fast there. If I did, try to slow down the video. This video, alongside being on Edpuzzle, is also on YouTube. I'm sure you can extract the YouTube video or something from the Edpuzzle video. I'm sure you can find that link if you want to watch it on YouTube, and then you can slow it down at this part if you need. But there are 5 comprehension questions. So, ¿qué significa la frase tener ganas de? All right, so you will have to look up some of these words here. So, significa might be a new verb that you've never seen before, but I definitely actually want you to look up the phrase tener ganas de. Then this one is a comprehension question about the readings. ¿Qué tienen ganas de comer personas A y B? ¿Tienen sed personas A y B? ¿Cuántos años tienen personas A y B? And then this is a personal question. ¿Tienes ganas tú de hacer estas preguntas? So, again, you may have to look up some of these words, and that's perfectly fine, but try your best and collaborate in class to try to figure out how you will answer these questions in a way that is grammatically correct. All right, and that is it for this lesson.